Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by confirming hair length between 0, 5 and 2 inches and using a residue-free shampoo, dry completely. Next, create your first section at the crown with a rat tail comb and clip the rest away because organized sections lock faster. Use small 1/2 1-inch parts and twist or palm roll each section briefly to encourage separate strands. Once done, secure ends with tiny rubber bands if the tips unravel. This prevents merging during the early weeks. Continue by building texture. Backcomb each 1/2 1-inch section toward the scalp to create a fibrous core, because that core is what turns into dread. Then palm roll or finger rub every section for 5 to 10 minutes. This mechanical friction knots hair fibers. Apply a pea-sized amount of locking gel only where needed to hold shape. Too much residue stalls locking. Once a pass is complete, allow 24 to 48 hours rest before reworking spots, and sleep on a satin pillowcase to protect newly forming locks. To finish the initial process, let dreads mature for 6 to 8 weeks, trimming only excessive fuzz to preserve freeform shape. Maintain them by palm rolling monthly and washing with a residue-free shampoo weekly or up to 2 times monthly depending on oiliness, because buildup prevents tightening. If 2 dreads start merging, separate them immediately by gently pulling and inserting a clean clip between sections. Then re-backcomb roots and palm roll each side to re-establish separation. If a section refuses to lock, repeat backcombing and allow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.